Repair a broken denture. There are different reasons why people wear dentures. Some wear them for corrective measures, to make sure that the space between teeth do not widen. Some wear them to give them a full smile. For people who wear dentures, it is an extremely important and personal accessory that can affect confidence and esteem. Hence, when a denture is misplaced, it causes anxiety. When a denture is broken, it causes reason to be affected, since dentures are not easy to make and are costly. However, dentures can be easily fixed as long as the parts are saved. For a chip in the denture, there are different ways how a denture can be broken. A simple chip can happen just because of biting on a hard surface, bumping the denture accidentally, or dropping it while cleaning. If your denture is broken by just a chip, this is very easy to repair. Just get super sticky glue like crazy glue. Do not use tacky glue or school-grade glue, as this would not be able to hold the part together. Make sure that the denture and the chipped part is thoroughly cleaned. Let the parts dry. Put some glue on the chipped part and on the denture. Press the chipped part on the denture tight and hold for a minute. When you let go and the piece stays in place, it will hold. If you let go of the piece and it falls off, maybe you have another broken part missing, or the placement is not fit. Make sure that the pieces fit and then reapply the glue. Do not wet the denture until the glue has thoroughly dried. Wash the denture clean with warm water and soak in denture solution before using the denture again. For dentures broken in pieces, first prepare your working area. Make sure it is clean and dry. Thoroughly clean the parts of the denture. Make sure that you get all of the parts so you can piece all together. Arrange them in a way that will let you know how to put them together easily with how the denture should look before it broke. Get some epoxy. Get a mixing plate. This could be a simple cardboard or flat surface. Ready your mixing stick. Prepare 2 parts of epoxy in equal dose. Mix the epoxy with your stick until it is evenly spread. Make sure to stir the parts thoroughly to prepare the epoxy. Get the application stick or a toothpick if the area to be covered is very small. Put some epoxy to the surfaces of the broken parts. Lightly cover the surfaces with epoxy. Then put the parts together. Hold the parts together gently. Do not press hard as this will make the epoxy ooze out, and then it might harden into an unattractive glob. Wait for a minute to let the epoxy harden a bit and make sure the parts stick to each other. Let go of the denture and the parts. If it is already stable, place it on your work surface area. Apply a very thin layer of epoxy along the lines that indicate where the breakage is. Apply a very thin layer only. This is just to ensure that the part is thoroughly sealed. Too much epoxy will start to show visibly. Let the denture sit. Do not disturb by poking or anything. The epoxy should be given time to do its thing and glue together the parts. Epoxy takes time to harden. Let at least 5 minutes pass, or if possible wait longer to ensure that the epoxy hardens enough and the denture would not come apart. Wash the denture before trying it on. There you have it, the 2 ways to repair a broken denture.